Dear friends, all you are welcome to Math Unique Plus video. Before going to start today's program, I would like to say that I had made two silly mistakes in the trigonometry part number 7, where I was written tan 40 equal to tan 90 minus 40. This is the incorrect form. Correct form will be tan 90 minus 50. Excepting this, one more incorrect information was given. Excepting these two, everything is quite okay. Thank you. I think you have already understood. And boys, I think you will be able to make necessary correction. Okay? Now, let us start our today's journey. Today's journey is part number 8. Here 7 problems are given on the board. Some problems are there. The process of finding solution are different, and some problems are the process of finding solution is very similar. So I think if any learner can differentiate between these two, the 70% of his or her preparation is completed. Now let us see. Start. Given sin alpha into sin beta minus cosine alpha into cosine beta plus 1 equal to 0. So this can be written as cosine alpha into cosine beta minus sin alpha into sin beta equal to 1. It means cosine of alpha plus beta equal to 1. Then 1 sine of alpha plus beta. This is equal to root over 1 minus cosine square of alpha plus beta. And this is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Hence proved. Then the second case. Here you can create tan of alpha plus beta. If you ask to find the value of tan alpha plus beta, then this is simple sin alpha plus beta by cosine of alpha plus beta. What is sin alpha plus beta? This is 0 and this is 1 value. Then you can create your own problem. Okay. Then the second part. 1 plus cot alpha tan beta. 1 plus cot alpha into tan beta. Cotangent alpha means cosine alpha by sine alpha, and tan beta sine beta by cosine beta. By simplifying, sine alpha cosine beta, sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. This is sine of alpha plus beta by sine alpha cosine beta, and sine alpha plus beta equal to, this was 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 by something equal to 0. Hence 1 is completed. Then 2. A plus B is given 45. Then show that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. The problem is given in tangent form. So taking tangent on both sides, tan A plus B equal to tan 45. Okay? Then expanding the formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B equal to 1. This is tan A plus tan B equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Adding 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. By factorization, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Hence proved. This part is proved. And now you have to find out the value of tan 22 and half. We have proved this. If A equal to B equal to 22 and half, then 1 plus 10, 22 and half whole square equal to 2. Then tan 22 degree equal to root 2 by taking square root and 1 by transposing. There is a value of tan 22 and half equal to root 2 minus 1. 2 is completed. Then 3. Here 3, 4 and 5 are very similar in approach. This is n. Look at here. N by 1. N minus 1, n plus 1. So, the trigonometric part and its coefficients should be first differential. Okay? Thank you. Sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta equal to n by 1. By component n minus 1 plus 1. We get it by component and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, we have sin n minus 1. Then minus will be taken in the numerator. Sin alpha minus beta by sin alpha plus beta plus sin of alpha minus beta equal to n minus 1, n plus 1. This part is already derived. Next, sin a plus b minus sin a is equal to cosine a sin b. 2 sin a cosine b equal to n minus 1 by n plus 1. 2 cancels out. And cosine by sine cotangent alpha, sine by cosine tangent of beta, n minus 1 and n plus 1. A cotangent keeping on the left and transposing the tan cotangent beta. Okay, the 3 is complete. Then 4. 3, 4 and 5 are very similar. Cot alpha, cot beta, cotangent alpha. Cotangent alpha, cotangent beta equal to 3. Here 1. This means cosine alpha by sine alpha and this cosine beta by sine beta equal to 3 by 1. By componendo and dividendo, we have cosine alpha 3 plus 1, cosine alpha cosine beta, here minus, this will be taken plus, sine alpha sine beta by cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta, 3 plus 1, 3 minus 1. This is cosine of alpha minus beta and this is our cosine alpha plus beta. This is 4, 2 and after cancelling this is 2, hence proved. Then number 5. Very similar approach. 5. Tan alpha equal to 2 tan beta. Tan alpha by tan beta equal to 2. The sin alpha by cosine alpha, sin beta by cosine beta equal to 2, 1. By componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. Sin alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sin beta, sin alpha cosine beta minus cosine alpha sin beta, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. And this is sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta, 3 by 1, 3. And by cross multiplication, sin alpha plus beta and hence proved. And this can be in by cross multiplication, this can be written as sin of, and this can be asked by question. Okay. Then number 6. 10. Sin alpha by cosine alpha equal to x sin beta by 1 minus x cosine beta. by cross multiplication, sine alpha minus x sine alpha cosine beta equal to x cosine alpha sine beta. Then sine alpha equal to transposing this, x taken common, sine of alpha plus beta, this is 1. Similarly, taking this tan beta equal to sine beta by cos beta equal to y sine alpha by 1 minus y cosine alpha. Very similar approach. You will get sine beta equal to y into sine of alpha plus beta. This is number 2. Then dividing by 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. Sine alpha by sine beta. This cancels out. X upon y. This is proved. And then 7. Tan theta tan phi x cotangent of theta cotangent of phi equal to y. Then 1 by x minus 1 by y. Substituting the values of x and y, 1 by tan theta plus tan phi minus 1 by cotangent theta plus cotangent of phi. 1 by sine theta by cosine theta sine phi cosine phi minus 1 by cosine theta sine theta cosine phi sine phi. By simplifying, cosine theta cosine phi cosine theta cosine phi sine theta cosine phi plus cosine theta sine phi sine of theta plus phi minus sine theta sine phi sine theta sine phi sine theta cos phi cos theta sine phi sine of theta plus phi. LCM sine of theta plus phi and open cosine theta cosine phi minus sine theta sine phi, and this is nothing by cosine theta plus phi by sine theta plus phi. This is cotangent of theta plus phi, hence proved. So I think you have already understood. Practice, practice and practice. It will help you. Thank you.